How do you choose an internet service provider when there are so many out there with weird and wonderful?
We apologise in advance for this interruption in our scheduled programming. A vital announcement related to your survival will follow shortly. Please stand by. An emergency situation in Sheffield has occurred. At 11 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, local authorities discovered that multiple World War II period munitions were unearthed from a recent report regarding an abandoned military complex in Fulwood. These munitions are believed to be highly unstable due to the decades of neglect. As a result, they may be potentially lethal. Reports from the local authorities suggest that a demolitions disposal team will be called in to dispose of these explosives. In the event that some of these explosives go off, the local authorities will request that everyone in Sheffield will need to shelter in place. The estimated blast yield could lead to shattered windows, flying debris that could damage buildings and people, and potential risk to property as well. To shelter in place, you will need to close and lock all doors and windows, close any blinds, and enter the most inner portion of your home. Continue to monitor this alert for details. The explosives disposal team has arrived in Fulwood to assess the situation regarding the explosives. They have discovered multiple mortar shells that still have a volatile amount of TNT within them. An estimated 70 shells have been discovered so far. The explosives disposal team is now working to dispose of these devices. Please stand by for further updates. The explosives disposal team has successfully disarmed the mortars in the facility. They were reportedly very close to exploding. Any bump could have done us in. Quoted from on-site director Ernst Sevas. The local authorities have given the all-clear for the shelter-in-place order to be called off. You may now leave your home to do as you wish. Thank you for your cooperation in this tense situation. We now return you to your regular programming.
To spend your £7,000 on something that increases your personal magnetism by 150%. I would say spend your £7 grand